Okay, guys, today we're going to look at how to use State Department of Insurance to research on car insurance companies. What I have here is a google.com, so I type in the keyword State Department of Insurance. As you can see, every single state has one. Depends on where you live. And they actually have some good information. What you hear today is a lot of companies, asking you to submit a zip code, get a quote, get multiple quotes. But what they really don't really tell you is, and again, this is something I notice general on internet, is lack of information on how to research on those car insurance companies, what need to be looking after, things like that. So luckily, there's a State Department of Insurance. They have some good, valuable information for us to see. I'm just actually opening up a couple of them just to show you. Let's say, for example, the Arizona ones. What you typically see, let me just go back to the home page here. You're gonna see some websites similar to this. This one is for Arizona, so you probably have to look around. Auto home insurance, and they have something what I think is very important is called a premium comparison and complaint ratio for automobile insurance. So they have two parts. They have a premium comparison, which you get an idea about how much you're paying, and they have the other part, which is the complaint ratios, which you'll see which company tend to have more complaints than the others. So this is a typical what it look like. Okay, in this example, this is actually pretty current. It's a year 2000. Okay, this is where things get really interesting. Not sure if you can see this. Okay, so basically they have hypothetical theory on how much it's going to be for 6 months for in this case, is 18 years old young driver, male, and this is driving a 2009 Ford F-150 pickup truck 4x2. This is how much, in theory, how much it's going to cost. And over here, there's a complaint ratio. This is where you can find out which company have more complaint than the others. So there are some determining factors for you to go. For example, you can go for somebody which has less. In this case, 0. This is a commerce and industry insurance corporations. The rate tend to be a little bit lower too, compared to farmers, which have a 48 complaint. So things like this will help you to probably give you a little bit more insight than just a numbers or just a quote. Okay, so as you can see here, male, female, there's actually quite a bit of difference. For 18 years, a female starting from 1,000. For guys like us, starting from 13, 14,000, 100. Okay. So yeah, that's actually what I recommend everybody to do. Just run your own state, have a look at your State Department of Insurance website. They actually have a lot of information catering to specific areas. For instance, just going back to this Arizona ones, they have a little brochure. It's kind of tacky. In the back they talk about whether they have the right to use a credit score to judge your insurance score. and all that kind of information. So hopefully you can have a look and decide which car insurance is right for you. Again, this is Austin with top10autoinsurancecompanies.org. For more tips on how to compare car insurance, go to the site top10autoinsurancecompanies.org, and I'll see you in next video.